Wild.
Yeah?
It was just crazy.
Okay, go for
All right,
it.
let me know. Hey, what's up? This is Deo. Just finished Ignite. We are all human here at Exeter Town Hall. This event was so amazing. I think as much as the audience were impacted by this, I was impacted by it. Even though I was a performer and I was telling my story. I think one of the pieces that was so critical to me, it was like, first, I had to be vulnerable. I had to be vulnerable to tell like very deep stories about my life to this audience, and I felt, halfway through I felt comfortable. I felt like I had freedom. I felt like I had victory while I was telling the story. And on top of that, all the performers that came on after me as I was telling the story, their energy psyched me up. And the cool thing was at the end, when I was hearing the audience tell me how much they were impacted by this presentation. That's what it's all about. It's about like sharing those like cultural experiences, sharing the experiences that help us understand that we are all human. So thank you so much for everybody that showed up. This was amazing. Bow! Today, I celebrate my blackness. I celebrate my Africanness. Okay? I celebrate my love to music and dance and hip hop culture.